Story of my life. So I've been an enthusiast of the drone since I got really close to some fantastic drone pilots. Philip Kofi Ashon, love you man, and Nida Ko, solid guy. So here we are. And I'm on the joysticks and this bed comes up and I'm panicking. Usually I panic as an enthusiast and beginner, but on this particular one, I didn't quite panic, and you see them in these shots. But if you're wondering where this location is, this is a Borteyman road. It's been dualized. It's quite impressive what the contractor is doing. So I went there to film for a TV program that I host about town on City TV. And this bed will not let me be. I just thought I should let you see some of the encounters I had with this bed. Okay, so let me call this bed Savietula. It actually hit the drone, as you can see. It just hits the drone. Luckily, it didn't fall. Savietula was still chasing me. So I turned this way to my left, and let's see if Savietula will let me be. Savietula, there he comes. So, well, what was I doing? I decided to head south, if that's what it is. And we kept going. Anyway, my name is Caleb. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself. This is my channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I was loving the ride. So, wow, this is beautiful. I didn't even realize how beautiful these houses were. I was just flying, right? I was just framing, trying to get a wide shot, and Savietula shows up again. By the way, Savietula is a junction somewhere in the Volta region if you're going towards Anyanui, where the Chill River Resort is. So Savietula keeps coming. Savietula essentially means a small story building, the owner of a small story building. On that junction, so Savietula comes up again. On that junction is the first guy who actually built a small story building in that area. So the junction is named after him, Savietula. But I'm naming this bed Savietula. I love this shot. Look at that. So the contractor actually, digs into the earth, takes the soil because there's a lot of water in it, fills it with boulders, and then does the laterite, levels it in a way that motorists can still use before so he doesn't just block both parts bazaar like that. I've shown you a video of his before, and the good thing is I've spoken to him. We have an interview on the record. We get to hear his story. Quite exciting. Here's evidence that I'm obsessive with shots. This is the same angle, same shots. What you're seeing, this is the same shot, right? But this is better, obviously. So you just have to keep trying. I particularly love this one. Once I put it all together, I couldn't find this one. I had to go look for this one, and I found it. So beautiful. I love it. Now look at that. Very cinematic, gentle. It goes up, and then the tipper truck offloads its content onto the side. Oh, and it's so beautiful. I love this. I'm so proud I did this. Like, you have no idea. It's a big achievement for me. You don't know. So then, this is good. You see how the contractor is so meticulous and industrious with the work. Brilliant stuff. Now, it almost hits the high tension cable, because some of the drones have obstacle avoidance, others don't. So those that have, you can actually take them off. So that's what's happening. So you, as much as possible, want to avoid these high tension cables and electricity poles and all that. Let's see if Savietula shows up here. Why did I bring this shot? Was Savietula here? Savietula? No, but if you look at this, it's a 12-kilometer dualization of the School Junction Borteyman Road, and it's such a good work. There Savietula goes. So I come down because I saw in a YouTube video that when some birds are trying to attack you, like, you go up and down, just try to kind of like do that kind of thing. I kind of like this shot, giving how the car was just coming and I was going back, coming towards me and I was going back. I love this one. And then you see this one also. You have the earth moving machine there. You get both sides. You get where the boulders are. You get where the leveled part is, and then you just move forward, focusing on the drone and the roads. And then Savietula comes again. Savietula Amadoko Umadwa something. There's a saying actually. They say Savietula Amadoko Omo like basically they don't send broke man. They don't send broke man. It's funny, it's an appellation somewhere there. I'm told. Very interesting thing. So when this road is done, it will link motorists straight to the motorway. If you're coming from East Legon, Anako, Madringano, all that side, this is leading you straight there. And this is being done primarily to connect or for the purposes of the that's a beautiful house, by the way. It wasn't my focus. I didn't quite focus on that. So the Borteyman, there's a sports complex being built up in that area. So that's why this road is being done. And I bet the contractor will even finish putting the road together before the sports complex is even done, because the aggression the guy has put on fixing this road, El Chemano, hard guy. I'm telling you, like that interview, when I share with you, you would just love it. The story is inspiring. It's such a fantastic thing to see Ghanaians doing such excellent, extraordinary work. You will just love it. Well, these are jerking. It wasn't too smooth. I'm leaving all of them in this particular video, so you know that most of the videos you see, people choose just the best part for you to see. Maybe 2 seconds, maybe 3. Sometimes when it's really great, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. So you don't see the worst, you only see the best. So if you're doing things and it's not going quite well, don't be afraid to repeat again and again till you get the very best. This was the last shot we did. The battery was almost dying. It said battery critically low, but I really wanted to be coming backwards while the car was going and the dust was all over there. It was I love this. I loved it. Look, we are running out of time. Thank you for watching. My name is Kudah. This is my channel. If you love what you see, please subscribe, like, drop a comment. And if you are a drone enthusiast as well or a professional, please share your experiences with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.